We're gonna need, of course, our welding hood. I'll leave that bit right there. Our C-clamp. Fuck, I forgot my metal in the car. Fuck. We're gonna need our vice grips. MIG pliers. Our regulator. Oh, the wire brush. Slag hammer. Or whatever the fuck the hell called. We're gonna need our regulator for the 1956 and a grinder. Stick gloves. And I use one TIG glove on my right hand. I'm gonna start this 2F position. All right, so I'm here, I'm running the second pass, and what you gotta try to do is hit both walls when you're doing this pass, and then I'm gonna let you know what else you gotta do there. All right, so right there, I'm taking off the tip. I like taking off my tip because I feel like I get a better start. And now I'm gonna run the other pass. What you gotta do on this one, you gotta go toe to toe or wall to toe, so that way you overlap halfway on the other weld. And then I was gonna keep recording, but my motherfucking phone fell because my next door neighbor or whatever was leaning on the motherfucking thing. But oh well. It's lunchtime, but I'm trying to get the last video in. I want to complete this hole real quick. It's over with. Hurry up. Goddamn, next time get back before it come back. Alright, look, we finna go smoke real quick. I need some too, yeah, my man, we on break and shit. Finna go get righteous. Then we gonna come back, continue working on our motherfucking career, you know what I mean? Working on the future, trying to get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. We in this hoe. Fuck what anybody talking about.
Hey, look. Check it out. It be me, the KID, the DID, that step on 2 feet. You know what I'm saying? Play with me, you end up, you know what, we ain't finna go there. Hey, keep your head up, pray hard every day. You gonna get where you need to go work and step how you step it. Live your life, because can't nobody live it for you.
Yeah, that way. Motherfucker, all right, we be back. Appreciate that. Oh, for real. That Look, I had
And your fucking slag even cleaning up by itself.
yeah.
That shit look good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That boy Joseph almost done with his overhead.
He almost done with his overhead.
Yeah, bro. It looks good too.
Bro, let's go see this man.
Hell yeah, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, we finna go see Joseph's shit real quick. Oh good, man. Say what's up to the YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. Finished the upright, which is the one I was doing. Right before this one, and what it looked like. This I went too fast on the last pass, it's the most shiny one, but yeah, kinda. But yeah, so we're gonna start the overhead now. I'm gonna set up this hoe to do the overhead, and then I'm gonna see we get into that right now. Unfortunately, I didn't get no more footage of my overhead. I just got this little video, and that's gonna be the end for this video because the next footage I got is for a different video.